It's so nice that we've worked so well together and you can share also the victory with them.
Pleading in the final in Luxembourg in front of real judges.
It springs out of your CV, so for sure it will bring something.
You never believe that it will actually happen.
I think if it was a real case, I think we should have, yeah, we would have done well.
The case was about a homosexual couple, and one of the spouses had a son who suffered from the Down syndrome, so he was disabled. And this homosexual couple moved to another member state of the European Union, where they actually got married. But they then wanted to return back to their home state, and in their own home state this marriage was not recognized. Neither was the adoption by the other spouse of the son of the first spouse, actually. And the whole case was about the recognition of a homosexual marriage and the recognition of an adoption, actually.
First of all, it's been a really long experience, but at the same time a really teaching and wonderful experience.
It's a very demanding experience. Mainly because it requires a lot of work and a lot of time.
To renew and to make better every time you're pleading, and to look up for questions and don't give up. That was a great experience, sometimes but hard.
We really get along very well, and that's the biggest thing I think of the Moot Court.
We already started in September, then we made some interviews with all the students who would like to participate, and they already had to prepare in the very beginning. And the best students were selected, and then they had to do a written pleading. And in January we knew that we were selected after the written procedure, and then we almost practiced 3 or 4 times per week for 2 or 3 hours per day. So it was really a lot of work.
Almost everything there is to learn about free movement of same-sex couples, same-sex spouses in the European Union.
I learned to express myself better in English and also in French, because that wasn't my working language.
Pleading is also different as writing, so if you get interrupted, maybe in another language, and you have to reply immediately, and you have to take care of your gestures. You have to not say like, I don't know, because then it's like failure.
I've never worked so intensively with a group, so that's also, you learn team play.
A little bit, especially pleading in the final in Luxembourg in front of real judges. That's really, something.
Yes, I think it's a big thing. To go through it, I think it brought a lot to me.
It's the most prestigious moot court regarding EU law. So of course when you win it, it is a very, very big merit, and it's a nice thing in your CV.
I'm very proud. I even was very emotional. I had some tears in my eyes on the moment that they said that we won. Because as I said, you never believe that it will actually happen.
I don't know if I realize it yet. I mean, I know like everybody was like, congratulations, congratulations, and I mean, I'm 24 and I got to plead at the Court of Justice of the European Union. I mean, that's never gonna happen again, so I was pretty happy about it, yeah.
We will do everything we can to bring the cup home again, yeah.